Yeah. Oh yeah, stocks have gone up. Yep. Oh, my Bitcoin's losing a bit of money.
I'm nervous and fucking excited for this. I don't know what to... flying up. Yeah, flying up Tuesday, fucking seeing it. I can't believe it's here. Like, bro, 3 days.
That's insane.
Yeah, I wonder when it went on the truck. Like if it went on that same day. Eh?
You organised that pretty quick though.
That was on the drive to Chops.
Yeah,
I tried to ring them when I was there, and their phone network was down, so I couldn't do anything. And then he goes, "I'm having lunch. They'll drop it off."
That's insane.
Yeah.
Shout out to old mate Alex.
Yeah, on holiday, he's sorting me out there. It's weird though, because like, bro, I don't know if the transport company will be able to start it, because it's turned the key and it's a button for the starter motor behind the key.
Surely, no.
I reckon he would have told them. Yeah, but when it gets to the other end, or
surely it'd be the same driver though.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Enclosed transport would be one drive during these. One day.
Yep.
I reckon I just got the perfect timing. Eh?
100%. You probably like last chance transport.
Yeah.
Just
do you reckon because it's enclosed, if they don't have it full, they just chuck a random car in there to get it down? There's just this Hyundai Gets in there.
It's like a random upgrade, like what you got on your flight.
Yeah, true. That was good as. Proper meals.
Yeah, 100%.
They treated me like royalty on the plane.
Well, as they should. You're spending that much on a car, man.
Yeah. It's funny as. It's no different though, really.
It's the same plane everyone else is taking.
You're only in the front aisles. The difference is instead of being 3 seats wide, it was 2 seats wide.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And you got food. And as soon as you sat down, they come over and asked if you wanted a sparkling water.
Not even like a fucking, you can't have the option for still?
Nah, why would ya?
That's fucked up. What? If you drink sparkling water, you're a fucking weirdo.
You can't do it?
Nah. Hell no.
I got into it a while back, but like flavoured stuff now I can do normal. But it tastes like, it's weird because it nearly tastes flavoured still. Nah,
it tastes like you're fucking eating a battery.
Like TV static. Like you're static in your mouth.
Exactly. Holy shit.
Yeah, most expensive purchase of my life.
Besides the house, obviously.
Nah, because I only paid 35 grand, the rest of the bank paid.
But you're still paying it back.
Yeah, true. I just don't care.
Not at the moment though.
Yeah, not at the moment. But yeah, paying it to him, and just, I realised when I sat down, I didn't even get a receipt when I left. Like,
oh really?
Yeah, I was kind of like, it's so relaxed.
Spur of the moment thing, yeah.
Would you have?
Oh, yeah, I probably would have remembered. I'm spending that much on a car, fuck yeah.
No, I was just relaxed, and it was just a handshake, and I was off on my way, and it was just a trust system. Oh, it's going to be even worse. I don't change sides of the car. I stay on this side.
That's a wild thing to think about.
Yeah, just fucking. It's going to be the strangest thing hopping into it.
Don't worry, I'll follow you halfway. We'll see how we go. Where are you going to drive it first?
I don't know. I have no idea.
Because like it's pretty early in the morning. Surely you don't want to just drive straight back home.
No, I don't know. I don't know where to take it. Yeah, fucking. What a wild change of events. The car that's made me sell all my other cars.
Wow.
Well, I don't have to, but...
Well, you don't have to, yeah, but
it's a bit silly not to.
The man with the 50 million thousand cars.
Yeah.
So quickly, too.
Yeah.
Building cars in a week.
Yeah. That was a very strange situation.
You didn't even need to put yourself in that situation.
Nah. And now it's done, I can't be fucked. I drove it around the block once. That was it.
Oh my god.
Yeah. So silly.
Far out. Oh well.
Wonder if I'll even fucking use a tank of fuel in it.
Salted caramel latte. Try one if you haven't.
Pete's food reviews.
Pete eats. Oh, that's got a good fucking.
That could be you.
Yep. Pete eats. Eats all the time. Look at me.
Yeah. Every meal.
Like just boring shit ass fucking meals.
Home cooked meals and give them reviews in front of tomorrow. How many do you reckon you could get away with before you get hit?
Probably half of one.
Even if it was a good review?
Oh look, yeah, nah, Jackson would hit me.
Yeah.
Yeah, he'd definitely smack me.
Review your own cook meals?
I'd be, yeah, no, it would be spot on every time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Some of mine aren't lately. I've been a bit lazy, eh?
Well,
I assume they make their own nan.
Nah, it's pronounced. They make their own dad. Yeah, mate.
Just making the grandparents.
That's getting edited out. Everyone knows.
I wondered if you'd pull me up on that one.
I was like, brother.
Tomorrow's the same. Commentating.
Oh.
Yeah. Me and Mike Lake talking shit all day.
Oh, 2 Kiwis, 1 cup.
Yeah.
Are you getting nervous or what? You're
Nah.
around the corner.
It's a little bit. It's just.
You gotta see it parked there. Sun's
It's been the
out.
funny, man. When
Nice straight bit of road.
It's not slow, man. It's not wild.
It's not wild, yeah. It's pretty tame.
Like you still get yourself in trouble pretty easy, especially from a standing start.
Oh yeah, shit, yeah. Oh, PrixCar.
Oh, it is.
Is it PrixCar or fucking PrixCar?
I used to call it PrixCar, but it's definitely PrixCar.
It's gotta be a PrixCar.
Exactly, absolute prick.
It's pretty much like a.
Turn the heater on.
Oh my god, you're gonna speak to me in fucking Fahrenheit now.
Yeah.
Oh, would you look at the weather? It's 300 degrees Fahrenheit outside in summer.
Fuck, that's hard to use.
Is that carbon?
Nah, it's like a Kevlar overlay, like a sticker.
80, 20, 100%. Fucking sick, man.
It does.
Oh, fucking stay in the lane, boy.
I went on the bumps, okay.
There's like a, I'm not sure if it's like a luxury car dealer here.
I seen that the other week.
Yeah, it's strange. Because I don't see anyone in there.
Reckon it's just a front?
Yeah, 100%.
Or like storage.
I see what you mean about the click. Like,
Yeah.
like,
He reckons this one clicks the best.
dude, that's fucking sick.
Feels like I'm just getting used to it. There's like a resting pedal, and it sits higher than the clutch, but at such a shit angle.
Oh my
it's
god.
so
yeah,
hard.
okay. Oh, well, Calder Park tomorrow?
I thought about it, but I need to take the Ford. I don't know.
No, I meant on track.
Oh, dude. First hoops. That's the open of the video. Do donuts in the car. I'd be so scared to do a donut. Yeah, so
I like it, I like it. It's so strange, but I fucking like it.
first supercar.
That you, yeah, for you,
I
yeah.
have to hold the indicator this way.
Could be worse.
Yeah. Like for the age of the car, it's not too bad.
Are they,
Oh, this is all vinyl too, so it's easy as fuck to replace.
yeah, oh yeah, that's what you were saying.
Yeah, all the beige
okay.
stuff is fucking leather.
I thought it was going to have more of like a, you know how BMWs have that like smell about them? I thought it was going to have its own sort of unique smell, but it smells like a lot of rich people have smoked cigars in this car.
Probably.
Alex.
Yeah, it really has a lot. Idle's higher than I thought it would.
What's this in there?
Just over 1,000.
Oh,
It's
yeah,
not high.
I can see. I was looking on that side.
See what I mean?
It's
Goes up to 300 the speedo.
it's idling at fucking 20 kilometers an hour.
Might as well stop indicating we're turning. No one needs to know that anyway. Does it feel like you're constantly going into the gutter?
No, it feels like I'm missing something on this side. Like a fucking steering wheel.
Yeah, the no power steering's not bad.
Yeah, well, there's nothing in the front, really.
Yeah, true. The roadie.
Fuck you, AJ.
I'll stop him before the roadie and take it. Let's go. Say, because he doesn't know I'm picking it up today.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you're the only one that
Fuck you anyway.
You're the only one that knew it was getting picked up today, I think.
Fuck yeah. I don't even want to jump back. Nah, fuck it. Let's leave it there.
Yeah, just got good. At least you're in the same side. The roof bed when it does that.
Oh, dude, that is scary as fuck.
It's alright, the roof won't be on long.
I'm surprised, bro. Just have the heater on blast.
The heater's nice.
Yeah, no shit. It's better than the fucking one in my car.
you wouldn't know the vents are all in the same spot. It probably only comes out one hole. But yeah, the handbrake goes, so you go up and then it falls down.
Yeah. That's right, go.
Yeah. Have a look at the trunk.
Yeah, fuck, the front.
Yeah, what is
What's the retail of one of those?
As you can tell, I'm pretty damn excited. I got my new car. Just heading home now. Obviously me and Pete went out for a drive around the block there. I love it. I absolutely love it. Can't wait to show you guys in the next video what it actually is. Bring that on, eh? Show it off then.